Niko sawa.
I'm ready. Back to the stage.
Action.
RPA is Robotic Process Automation. It's a technology for automating processes within different fields in order to mimic human actions. Look at it from a point where we have repetitive tasks that need to be automated in order to save time, to improve speed and accuracy, allowing employees to focus on other items that need human judgment and critical thinking. So RPA has different layers, and when I'm talking about layers, I mean the different stages that need to be executed in order to achieve the desired output. It starts with requirement gathering, where now the team works together with the business to bring about different processes that can be automated. These processes are then analyzed to check whether they fit the RPA criteria for automation. They need to be repetitive, they need to be dealing with consistency, with some defined business rules, so that at the end of the day, when you give the RPA instruction, it's able to process them correctly. The third stage is about solution design, looking at which tools you're going to be using in order to achieve this particular automation that you want. There are various tools existing in the market, in conjunction with other integration with other software tools in order to achieve whatever the business wants. After you've designed the solution, then you need to develop the solution. Now you take into account the solution that you've already designed earlier. Now you're developing it. This may involve configurations, writing scripts, and also integrations with other solutions. Once you're able to develop your solution, you need to test it to ensure that it works exactly the way the requirements were, and it achieves the purpose that was intended before. Once you're able to test, now you are ready to deploy the solution. Deploying means making it go to the production environment and allowing the process owners to be able to start using this particular process to achieve the desired outputs. And lastly, we always say RPA is a baby, so you need to keep on taking care of it even after going to production. So this might involve now support and maintenance, looking at if there's any errors, fixing those bugs. If there's any advancement that need to be made to make the solution better, you make those advancements.
We work with clients just to bring in robotic process automation, and robotic process automation is where we try and automate some of their processes just to create efficiency within the organization and bring in benefits that will be able to benefit the organization. Pretty much you will find for RPA, it's able to reduce the time it's taken to do certain processes that are currently being handled by a human within the organization. So you find a process that's taking possibly an hour is reduced to possibly to 2 minutes now by using a robot. So organizations are able to leverage those capabilities and bring in as much benefits as possible. And most of these benefits will realize come in as cost reduction, reduced time taken, reduced error rates when it comes to certain processes being handled. So we use this as a way of making an organization be better. And this also brings in the impact of service improvement, especially if their customer base is large, so they're able to realize these benefits on a wider scale.